Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to send an ACH payment from your bank in 2025. If you're not familiar, ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, and it's a secure way to transfer money electronically between banks in the US. It's faster than checks, often cheaper than wire transfers, and perfect for bills, refunds, or splitting costs with friends. Whether you're a tech newbie or just want a quick refresh, I've got you covered in this step-by-step guide. First things first, make sure you have online access to your bank account. Most banks have updated their apps and websites for 2025, with enhanced security features like biometric login. Start by opening your bank's app or going to their website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Look for an option that says ACH Payment, Electronic Transfer, or something similar. It's usually under Bill Pay or Send Money. Now, you'll need the recipient's details, their bank's routing number and account number. Double-check these to avoid any errors, as mistakes can delay your payment or send it to the wrong place. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add any necessary details, like a memo for what the payment is for. In 2025, many banks now offer real-time previews, so you can see exactly when the funds will arrive. Hit Review or Confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify the transaction. This might involve a second factor, like a text code or fingerprint scan, to keep things secure. After confirmation, your ACH payment is on its way. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days to process, but some banks in 2025 are piloting instant ACH for faster transfers. Keep an eye on your account for any fees. Most are under $5, but they vary. A few quick tips. Always use secure networks when handling payments, and never share your login info. If you're new to this, start with a small test transfer. And remember, ACH payments are generally safe, but if something feels off, contact your bank immediately. There you have it. That's how to send an ACH payment from your bank in 2025. It's straightforward once you get the hang of it, and it can save you tons of time. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.